Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Akbar Firza Zidan Purnomo dari 11 MIPA 3 absen 20. Sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang aksara Jawa Lenggena.
If I had to live my life without you near me, the days would all be empty. The nights would seem so long. With you I see forever oh so clearly. I might have been in love before, but it never felt this strong. Our dreams are young.
Berikut ini adalah contoh dari aksara Legeno yang sudah saya tulis tadi. Mengapa bisa disebut aksara Legeno? Karena aksara ini tidak memiliki pasangan. Dan saya akan memberikan satu contoh dari aksara Legeno.
My love for you, you ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love.